Hello everyone, my name is Oliver from Lux Trading, and today we're going to be talking about how long does it take to learn trading and what can you do to make that process faster. Now, this is a very common question that we get. How long is it gonna take me before I'm gonna be a real trader? How long is it gonna take me before I'm on a professional account? And we get this question especially from beginners. First of all, people these days are used to getting things fast. For instance, if you're in the mood to watch a movie, you go to YouTube or Netflix. There's no need to wait. If you want food, you call delivery. And when you hear stories of traders who doubled their money in 1 month, or someone who has made $25,000 in one trade, you get interested. And you want to try trading as well. After all, if they can't do it, why can't I? So you look for a quick 2-day workshop or a short course to learn how to trade. But you have to ask yourself, if by trading I'm expecting to make the same amount of money that a skilled engineer or a doctor would, but I'm not even remotely going to invest the same amount of time as them, can I still be successful? And unfortunately, the answer is no. Learning how to trade takes time, and there are no shortcuts. But the question remains, how long exactly does that take? Here we can divide this into 2 categories: learning swing trading and then progressing onto intraday trading. Let's start with swing trading. Swing trade means that you are taking a delivery of a position for a few days up to a few weeks. In our experience, it takes anywhere between 6 months to 1 year to become somewhat good at swing trading. So let's break that time into smaller chunks, and we'll be able to see where exactly you need to spend that time to learn. The first couple of months are required to build a solid foundation of the understanding of how the market works. You need to learn what types of accounts there are, what order types you have, what basic indicators there are, and basically all of the basics. Just going over that is gonna probably take you a month or 2. Then you will learn technical and fundamental analysis. Now, a lot of people think if you know a few candlestick patterns, dojis, bullish engulfing patterns, and so on, you've learned technical analysis. These patterns are part of technical analysis, but the subject is much broader than that. The next month or 2, you're gonna be learning about proper risk management and trading psychology. All of these are very important topics that you can't ignore, and they take a very long time to master. Mainly your psychology. You're not gonna make huge psychological improvements over the course of a few days. And at last, you'll come to strategies. Here, you'll learn how to actually place trades on the market, and you'll start building your own personal strategy. You'll figure out when and where the opportunities lay that you can profit from. So, as you can see, it takes a long time just to learn the basics of swing trading, and that is only when you have someone to guide you, sharing time-tested strategies and demonstrating to you how those strategies are applied in real life. If you're learning on your own, obviously it'll take much longer than that, as you need to take those swing trades, you need to wait for how they turn out, and then based on that data you can analyze what you did and learn. So now let's talk about intraday trading. Intraday trading means that you're taking a position and you're closing it in the same trading session, meaning that buying and selling are happening on the same day. Learning intraday trading takes even a longer time. You can expect anywhere between 1 to 2 years to get quite proficient at it. The difference between swing and intraday trading is the same as knowing how to drive a passenger car versus a Formula 1 car. You can take the same concept over to scalping. The basics of the car are the same. The engine, the brakes, the accelerator, they all work the same way, and the steering wheel still has the same purpose. However, what's different in Formula 1 is speed. You have to operate much quicker, and this makes all the difference. The same way which we talked about that you'll learn swing trading is more or less the same that you need to learn intraday. However, what is required here is practice. Practice, and some more practice. Because everything is so much faster happening on the intraday or scalping way. Deciding which strategy to apply, when to apply it, cutting losses while they're still small, selecting script, and hundreds of other decisions that must be made quickly under pressure. So, the more you practice, the more you learn about the market and your own strengths and weaknesses. And it takes time to master both of them. There's also a practical aspect of why it takes so long to learn intraday trading. What happens is that when you learn trading in a very short time, whatever you learn would work only in that particular market context. But when that market changes, you will find that those concepts are no longer applicable, and you'll need to start learning from the beginning again. The market is not static, it's very dynamic. It can go through a cycle cycle of bull market, bear market accumulation, distribution, expansion, contraction, low volatility, high volatility, all in a very short time span. And so, the longer you stay in the market, the higher is your likelihood of success and the faster you can adapt when it changes. But what can you do to make your learning process in trading quicker? We recommend that you first learn from yourself. And there are a few better ways to do that than keeping a trading journal. This involves noting down the trades of a day with a subjective perspective, put down what you thought about the trade and why you took it, and it'll allow you to reflect on your decision-making process. That is a great start, but it's hard to analyze yourself. So the second thing that I would recommend is getting a mentor. All great traders were once mentored by great teachers. Mentors can answer questions that only experience can answer, and they'll let you learn from their mistakes. If you'd like to, you can check out our Elite Traders package, where we have mentors and complete training available with all the support you need to succeed. And lastly, socialize with other traders. In any field, socializing is one of the best ways to get knowledge. This applies to trading as well, where traders may find answers to questions they didn't even ask. And you'll be able to find all of that in our Elite Traders package. The Elite Trader packages will give traders all the support to get their success rate up, to get funded, and to stay funded throughout all of the stages in the program, all the way to a fund manager account. The support will be similar to the support you get in any hedge fund, bank, or an asset management department. The package is there for the traders who want to learn, get educated, have a mentor, and have all the support that's necessary. As you can see, learning how to trade is a lengthy process, so why not have someone who's already gone through it stand by your side? Go onto our website and check out the Elite Traders package. I'm sure you'll like one of the mentors that we have there, and I'm sure you'll find a mentor for yourself. And that is it from me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you liked the video. Leave your comments in the comment section down below, and if you want to learn more about Lux, feel free to reach out to us on our 24/7 live chat or send us an email at info@luxtradingfirm.com. My name has been Oliver, and I wish you all a successful day trading. Have a great one.